Give me some of that energy, baby.
I think this one right here.
Hey, happy birthday.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you.
First home game back.
First home game back, baby.
Offense again is good. It's good. I love the shots we're getting.
Really good pace on offense. Good job tagging down here. I see you, DG.
Ty Jerome doing it at both ends. Mitchell with the cross. Back to Jerome where it started. Mobley with the flush.
You gotta get some stops, White. Gotta get some stops, White.
Everybody talk, more aggressive, body position, move your feet. Hey, but I'll be honest. It probably ain't gonna be a pop night. We gotta win this with our mind, execution, and physicality.
You can see there's very little rim protection down there. We can get to the rim all game, okay?
Butler's going to take it at him. Around the horn. Curry got a three.
Gotta lock in on the defensive end.
Don't walk to your spots. Get up the floor. Get to the corners. Play out of the corners.
Making them take tough twos, contested threes off the bounce, all right? That's what we want.
Goodwin, a really good defensive player, trying to put some pressure on Tatum. Tatum steps back, nails the three.